one, kindly read. Used by us 3.14. So this is the figure of spherical water tank. Okay, lalagyan na ng tubig. Okay, and then ang radius daw ay 3 meters. Ito yung radius natin. So ang sukat daw nito ay 3 meters. So find its volume in cubic meter. Okay, use 3.14 as the measure or the value of the pi. So step 1, to find the volume of the given problem, write the formula. Volume is equal to 4 over 3 times 5 times r cubed. Then what is the value of the radius? 3 meters. Then after that, substitute na. Si radius, anak, palitan mo ng 3. Kasi ang value niya ay 3. This will become 4 over 3 times, what is the measure of the value of the pi? 3.14. Times, what is the radius? 3 meters cubed. Then, to simplify, let's begin here. Multiply 3 by itself. 3 times, tatlong beses, ha? So, 4 over 3 times 3.14, lahat ng natirang anak, bring down lang muna. Ito muna unahin natin. So, multiply natin si 3 ng tatlong beses sa sarili niya. 3 times 3? 9 times 3. Okay, meron na tayo dito 27. Then, meter times meter, meter square times meter. Meter cube na po siya. Then, after that, let's check if we can apply cancellation. Okay, do you think we can apply cancellation? Yes, because 27 and 3 are both divisible by 3. So, divide both sides by 3. 3 divided by 3. 27 divided by 3. Okay, 9. Then, after that, meron pa po ba? Kung wala na po, proceed to multiplication na. I-multiply na yung remaining numbers na natira. Pwede po bang unahin, ma'am, si 4 at 9? Okay lang po. Kung unahin mo si 4 at 3.14, parehas pa rin na makukuha nating sagot. Let's start na by the whole number na lang. Para yung answer niyan, i-multiply natin kay 3.14. 9 times 4, 36. Then, copy the units, cubic meter. Then, ito na yung i-multiply natin kay 3.14. Okay, so, get the product na po. So, 3.14 times 36. 6 times 4, 24. Carry 2. 6 times 1, 6 plus 2, 8. 6 times 3, okay, 18. Wala nang i-carry, sulat na si 18. Next, anong number na po ang kasunod? 3 times 4. Saan na po isusulat si 2? Sa baba ng 8. Then carry 1. 3 times 1, plus 1, 4. 3 times 3, then after that, get the sum. We have 4, 10, carry 1, 9 plus 4, 13. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 9, 11. Now, how many decimal numbers do we have? 2. Where's the decimal point? Okay, between 0 and 3. So, therefore, the volume of the given, we have 113.04 cubic meters. So, that's the volume of the given problem.